There's some other things like that I think could be helpful with an AI
Yeah.
agent. Every law firm is getting calls that are not within their practice area.
Right.
And it's putting a heavy burden on the intake team and the answering service.
It is.
So what is your approach to that?
So with some firms, what we've been doing is we will take all the calls. Like we are the first line of defense. And then, if it's an existing client, we'll get them to their case manager who they need to talk to.
And you can document the CRM.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so that's another piece
Yeah.
because I have had intake agents that work for me that they're supposed to document the file. And this
Right.
is what it says. Had call with client.
Yes.
They didn't fill out the intake form. Why? The client said very pertinent facts that never made it into the CRM. One of my driving forces to implement AI throughout the whole firm, we build an AI native law firm, is the idea that there's volumes of evidence and things that are happening on calls that's never making it into the file.
Correct. And so I think at minimum, if you're really hesitant to use a voice agent, which is fair, at least use like an AI transcriber to make sure that all your calls are being transcribed and that notes are being summarized into your CRM.
How many law firms do you think are doing that?
2%.
Okay. So if you want to compete in this space, which is a very,
Yeah.
competitive
competitive.
space, this is an edge up.
It is.